Hello, I would like to show you about raylibs. Raylib is a graphical program to create your games. Like a cube. So you can create a cube like this. This is how you can create a computer graphic using raylibs. We're going to use Visual Studio. First, we're going to download the raylib library. Search raylib GitHub. And then you go to raylibs. And look for Microsoft. So you download the Microsoft Visual C++. This is what you download. I will not click here because I already have one. So when you have one already, you can unzip it and then put it in your whichever directory that you're looking for to save it. Okay. And then open Visual Studio, create new project. You're going to look for C++. You want to create empty project. I'm going to put on the repo project test. Just for testing raylib or raylib tutorial 1. Okay, from source, you're going to click new. You're going to add a CPP file, but you're not going to add CPP file. You're going to add a C file. So we can use C file. Main. Let's see. I think you can do main.c. Why am I using main.c? Because raylib is created using C programming language. Here, you can go to the raylib website. You go to raylib.com, and then you will go to example. I'm going to look for maybe this one. You know what? 3%. I'm going to copy their example, paste it here. I know we need to include our camera.h. Let's see if I have that. So I install my raylibs on this directory. Go to include. I don't have camera. So I may look for the location of that. I have 2 raylib. I have the source raylib, camera. I'll paste it here. I need camera. I'm going to copy this where my raylib include folder located. I'm going to include that .h, the header file. I'm going to include the header file in the Visual Studio. Get down. Include. and then we're gonna find the linker, the static library. We need to include the raylib library and Windows Media Library. Okay. Include folder. I'm locating the static library location, and then we're going to include that library now. We're going to specify what library we want to include. So if I go to the include folder, I'm going to the library, static library. I need to include this raylib.lib. So I'm going to include raylib.lib. And I need to include Windows Media Library. This is for sound and other library. This is what raylib using, the static library. They are using winmm.lib. Okay, and now we can compile it. Just a warning, it should be okay. It's just conflicting with other library, but I tried to figure out, but I couldn't. So let's see if this one will work. Yep, this is the raylib library. So it's pretty much how you set it up with Visual Studio using raylib. And you can also look at other example. Maybe you want to do this one, maybe split camera. You can move up and down. Let's see if I can use this example. Copy. When you want to build it, you'll clean the solution first, and you're going to rebuild it. Syntax error, where is the location? Oops, you don't need that. So build it and run the debugger. Maybe it's working. So yes, that's how you set up raylib with using Visual Studio C++. Thank you for watching.